Alright, so here is a F11W22 box fan by GE. It is a 3-speed fan, and I'm sure this is not the first one of these that you've seen on here. It's actually, there's quite a few of them, but I figured I'd put another one on here. It's pretty much an all-metal fan, except for, of course, the blade, which you can see is plastic. And, oh yeah, dogbone handle is plastic. And really the only thing about this that's kind of not in the best of condition is the fact that it doesn't have its original speed dial. It has a replacement, but other than that, this fan's in pretty good shape. Seems to run pretty good, as they all do, but it does have the bearing issue, or whatever it is, where it makes the buzzing noise for the first 2 or 3 minutes that you run it. I'm not exactly sure about that, but it doesn't really, it's kind of annoying, but it doesn't really bother me that much, so not really worried about it. Take a look at the back. There's a view of the back. GE motor in there. The motor brace. There is the switch housing with a little plastic baggie over top of it. And I noticed that's something that a lot of these fans did at this period. You know, a lot of different fan makers would put those little bags over the switch, I guess to keep moisture out. I suppose they figured people were using them more often as in window applications than what they intended, but either way, take a look at the side here. As you can notice, cord comes out the side, which I guess is alright, I don't know. And the other side is not a whole lot to look at. Pretty standard stuff, really. If I can move the fan back into position. And that's the GE. I'll go ahead and start this fan off on low speed, since it actually does start off on low and goes up to medium and high, as where a lot of other fans like this start with high and go to low. So I usually get the switch position backwards on this fan too, so here's low speed. There's medium. And there's high speed. A bit noisy on high, but not too bad. And there's off. Overall, very good fans. Very common, but still good fans. Actually, from what I was told, if I was informed correctly, this was actually the 1967 model. It was actually the debut of the plastic blade. I believe the first one on the market, really, for plastic blade and box fan. And there's something about the grill design, some minor detail about it that specifies that it was the original design. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe somebody could fill me in, but yeah. As far as I know, that's the year on this fan. I think that's about all I have to say about this fan. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for watching.